Hello guys, and welcome back to the Windswept Cowboy, or welcome if you are new. I am Chrissy and I am so excited that you're here today. We are starting off straight away on sanding this thrift store vase I shared with you in last week's video. Once this piece is all sanded, I will be painting it a navy blue and using it later on in my dining room today. I have come inside. It was super cold outside and my eyes are watering from the wind, and I think this is chalk paint that someone painted on this, so I decided to wet sand it, and it seems to be coming off really nicely, so I'm going to continue on and finish wet sanding the rest of it. It is time to start decorating. I am super excited. We're going to do the buffet first and then work on the table. That way I can use my table as a staging area for all the things. We are going to start right here in the center, and I am wanting to go big here. Now, I was looking at Hobby Lobby a few weeks ago when we did our shop with me, and I wanted a piece of pottery. Well, then I went back to get the other pieces to decorate my kitchen, and they weren't on sale, and you know there's no more coupon. So I decided to try to find something in my house that would work. So wait till you see what I found. But first, we're going to put the base for that piece here in the center. This is also from Hobby Lobby. I have had it 8 or 9 years, something like that, and I do believe they still carry it. Okay, are you ready? This is a very large piece of pottery. It is a flower pot that I have had, I think we brought it to Wyoming when we lived in Florida, and so that makes it probably at least 15 years old. It's definitely seen better days. It's missing a handle and it has some chips going on. But I'm going to put a fern in this, so you're not even going to see all that. But I do also want to point out, I'm going to try and add a before picture for you guys so you can see what this looks like. Or looked like. I used rub and buff on these leaves and the grapes, and it really changed the look of this piece of pottery. If you follow me on Instagram, you have already seen this. So we're going to put this on that stand. Here is that fern that I said I was going to add in there. It's actually really large. I've had this for quite some time too, many, many years. So we're gonna add that into my urn. Do you guys remember my blue plates and the wood chargers? Well, I'm just about ready to use them, but I was noticing that they are a little dried out from being washed. So I have this wood oil, and I'm going to use this on them and see if it can brighten that up a little bit.
It's a winding road, no telling where it goes. Driving through days and nights, won't stop for traffic lights. And I really wanna know
going to flank the side of my fern. I found these at Hobby Lobby in their spring section this past year, and I love the way that the blue and the wood look together. And I'm just using an easel to hold them up.
If I will ever figure out where the road goes, even if I'm falling down, I will keep on searching for my highs. You can say I lost my mind, I will keep on holding my head high, even if the sky is falling down.
Alright, we're going to work on these ends next, and I'm bringing back my books because I want to give a little extra height right here in this corner. And then I'm going to add some of my candlesticks that I've used for quite some time now. You guys remember these. So we're going to add those here. I'm going to add in this little faux fern and this leather flower pot. Both are from Hobby Lobby. I think I want to add some greenery on both ends to go with the fern in the center. One more little space here on my buffet left, and I'm going to add this glass vase. Again, Hobby Lobby. And then I have a couple of picks that are ferns, and I'm going to add those in because this greenery matches the green on the other end. And I like this limey color. I think it's super pretty. And I didn't like how low this was, so I'm going to add this little pick for some height. And I think this was Target, actually. Since I have candlesticks on the other side, I'm going to add in a candlestick over here too. And you guys remember this one from my thrift store haul, so I'm going to add that too. MJ is here and he is sleeping in the room where my candles are, so we're going to pretend that I have a candle in this holder. We are going to work on the table next, and I'm really excited to be using this runner that I found at Hobby Lobby in their spring section. So we're going to add that to our table. Wait till you see how gorgeous this is. Here's a close-up. It is super thick and heavy and very textured. I will be adding this beautiful piece of wood that I salvaged off of a pallet. You can see all the beautiful nail holes. I just love this look. Normally I have it facing this way and it sits on top of my bathtub with towels and things like that, but I wanted to bring it out and use it this way. I love the variation of color because you've got the light that matches the table and also the dark that brings in my dark counter over there. And I think it's going to look beautiful with this vase that we just refinished sitting on top. Now I have some stuff I want to put in that vase, so let's do that next. I shared these in my Hobby Lobby haul a couple of weeks ago, so we're going to add those in this vase. I think they're going to look so pretty. But I really need to take off the price tag first.
I've been trying my best for a while, trying to please everyone who's around me. I've been putting on a fake smile, even though I'm wasting time. I don't want to be trapped in a box, trying to be like the rest when I'm not. I just wanna go my own way. on my way now. I'm 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 on my way now. I'll be going away for a while. Oh, and I don't know what I'll find. Maybe I can be a rock star, playing songs on my guitar. I know I have to be somewhere else to be able to find myself. Shouldn't be so complicated. If I listen to my heart, I'm gonna leave it all behind. Find myself, I'm gonna start over new. Yeah, I'm on my way now. I'm on my way now. I'm on my way now.
This is looking so very pretty. A quick rundown of where I got the things here. The placemats are from Marshall's. The chargers I have had for probably over 20 years. Now I have stained them. They were originally that color, and I believe I got them at Burlington like eons ago. And I used some paint on them, and they've actually been seen better days. But I kind of like that rusticness of adding the different colors in there. And then the plates were from Hobby Lobby. They are Robert Stanley, and I got them, I think it was the fall collection last year at Hobby Lobby when they went 90% off. So I only paid a few cents. I think it was 49 cents a piece for these plates, and they have a really pretty gold rim on them, if you can see that. And the napkins, Robert Stanley also. The napkin rings are a DIY. Alright guys, that's going to be it for today's video. I opted not to do silverware and glasses because I don't normally keep those out on an everyday basis. I do, however, keep my plates and napkins and chargers and things like that out. We just move them when we sit down to eat. I have like square everyday white dishes that we use all the time, and these are more of my fancier dishes, even though they were extremely inexpensive. But they look really good. So we're just going to end it here, and I have some after pictures coming up for you guys so you can see the whole room together. It looks so good with the blue, and then also with the blue in my kitchen. It's really tying in nicely. So please give this video a thumbs up, and also hit that subscribe button if you haven't already. I would love to have you be part of the Windswept family. So you guys go and have a great day, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye!